I have a very quick video for you. I am showing you today how to access detailed analytics from your Mentor AI platform environment. So what you're looking at here is a private environment that we've created on the Mentor AI platform with custom mentors built in, such as the AI pre-matriculation mentor. So what you're going to do in order to access analytics is from the home screen that you are seeing here. This is the chat interface that you're seeing in the center of the screen. On the left-hand side, there is going to be this column that you can pull out by selecting these 3 line tabs right here at the upper left-hand corner of the screen. From there, you are going to see the logo of the private environment you're in. This Explore tab is going to allow you to search through the available library of mentors that you have within this environment to interact with. This button right here, pretty self-explanatory, just going to start a brand new chat with the mentor that you're currently working with. This icon right here is going to allow you to create a new mentor, and this icon is going to allow you to invite users directly to the environment that you are working in if you are an instructor. And immediately underneath that is just going to be the recent chat history that you have with all of the mentors that exist within this environment. So even further down within this column on the left-hand side of the screen, you are going to see a couple of more much smaller icons than up here. The one right in the center that looks like a graph itself. This is going to pull up analytics. So you're just going to select that. And as you can see, you are going to be redirected to this screen right here, which is just going to pull up the detailed comprehensive analytics for this specific mentor within your environment. This is a brand new mentor I very recently created. Not many users have access to it so far, and also very limited messages so far. But as you can see, as more users are onboarded, as more users begin using this mentor, all of their conversations, all of their interactions, everything that is happening on the platform is tracked in a very detailed manner that you can filter by daily results, the results from the following day, 7-day graph, 30-day graph, or a 90-day graph. So this is super helpful because it allows you to see the total volume of messages that are coming in from your learners to the mentor that you have them working with. It also shows you which topics are the most popular, right? So which areas of the course are students struggling with the most? Which areas does it look like they could use a little more support? And which areas does it look like they have a pretty firm grasp? Maybe we don't have to pay as much attention to that next week as, say, help and support in this case. And then as you scroll up to the top, what you're seeing right here is just the general overview analytics for this mentor. You can also break it down by users to show you the active users per day, the users over time, which users are most engaged on the platform and interacting the most with that mentor. But you can also see analytics by topic. And all that is accessible at the upper left-hand corner of the screen once you've accessed analytics. Immediately underneath the drop-down menu for the mentor you are currently seeing analytics for. All this is going to exist in the upper left-hand tab. So from the topics tab, you will be able to see the total topics that are being discussed, how many new topics are happening, within a monthly time frame, the top topics that are, being communicated with the mentor and through students, as well as the suggested topics that come from the mentor itself or the student as they are interacting with the mentor. So this is just one additional feature that we've incorporated to ensure that instructors are able to have eyes on their students and their educational journeys through the entire process. And that's basically it. So thank you so much for tuning in today. It was a pleasure walking you through the platform. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to any of us on the ibl.ai team, and we will get back to you virtually immediately. And thank you so much for tuning in. Learn